In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to build your WordPress website in less than 15 minutes using InMotion hosting. I'm Ashley, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to get your first site live, or you've wasted hours fiddling with settings, plugins, or domain setup, this tutorial is going to make it insanely simple. The truth is, launching your website shouldn't be the hardest part of starting your online business, but for so many people, it becomes a huge tech headache that holds them back for months. That's why I love platforms like InMotion hosting, because they actually make the process easy and beginner friendly while still giving you solid performance and features you can grow into. So whether you're starting a blog, launching a business, or just need a personal site, you're in the right place. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get your WordPress site live today. So first off, what is InMotion hosting? InMotion hosting is a well-established web hosting provider known for its reliability, speed, and amazing customer service. They offer a wide range of hosting options, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. But what really makes them stand out for beginners is their WordPress optimized hosting. When you choose their WordPress hosting, InMotion pre-installs WordPress for you, so you don't have to set anything up manually. Plus, they offer SSD storage on most plans, which means your site can load faster than with standard drives. InMotion is also US-based and offers 24/7, 365 support, so if you ever hit a snag, you can just hop on a live chat or call them directly. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants to put their site online fast, but still have room to scale later on. Before we get into the tutorial, let's dive into some of the key features. InMotion hosting provides free domain registration for the first year on most plans, which makes it even easier getting started. Their WordPress hosting includes automatic updates and server-side caching, so your site stays up to date and performs well without constant maintenance. You get free SSL to keep your site secure, daily backups to protect your content, and DDoS protection to guard against cyber attacks. The hosting dashboard is beginner-friendly, and you can access cPanel for more advanced settings. They also offer email hosting, so you can create professional email addresses that match your domain. Okay, great. So if you want to follow along on this tutorial, go ahead and click the link in the description below. So if you use our link, you actually can save up to 80%. So let's go over the different plan options. I am currently on the 1 year. They also have 1 month, 3 year, 2 year, etc. So choose the one that best fits your needs, but the 1 year plan, you're actually going to be able to save the most on this plan. So first, they've got the WordPress core. This starts at $2.62 per month. With this, you get 2 websites, and you also get the free domain and SSL. You get 10 email addresses and so much more. I won't read through all of those, but you guys can use the link and check it out. They've also got WordPress Launch, which is $3.97 per month for 1 year. And with this, you get 25 websites and unlimited SSD, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited email addresses. The WordPress Power is just $3.97 per month. With this, you get unlimited websites and marketing tools and so much more. You also get a staging tool with the WordPress Launch and up. Lastly is the Pro, and you can save 68%, and it's just $8.47 per month. And again, this is for the year. You get unlimited websites, SSD, email addresses, but this is 40x WordPress performance compared to 30 and then 20 and then 10. You also get Pro level support with this plan, which is an added bonus. You'll just press select and go ahead and enter in all of your information. So you can choose your domain later if you would like, but then just enter in your email, a password, account information, your credit card, and then just the term length. Again, as a reminder, you can see what percentage you get off here. Now that we are in the account dashboard, this is where you'll find access to your hosting tools and website management. Next, we'll want to launch WordPress. So we'll go ahead and click cPanel. We'll go to WordPress management, click install, and it will just take a few minutes and you'll be good to go. Click install again. Okay, and then you'll want to log in with your credentials. So what I would recommend doing first is to choose a theme. So what you'll do is go ahead to appearances and then themes. I really like Blocksy. It's just fast and lightweight, and it has the latest web technology. So you can click live preview or you can click activate. So over here is some of the edit options. So here are pages. You can update some features here. You've got colors that you can adjust here. Okay, so now if you want to edit the pages, we can just go to all pages, and then you can go ahead and quick edit right there to edit the actual page itself. But if you want to edit the page, we'll go here. And now this is Elementor that is installed, but if you prefer a different editor, you can go with that as well. So this is where you will edit everything. You can go ahead and change any of the writing right here, any of the details down here. You also can write it over here as well. And then this is where you change the style, so you can see the alignment. This is where you can choose the text color. So it works the same for each one. And then over here you can see the different sections. So whichever one is highlighted is that section, and then you can actually drag and drop these sections completely. You also want to make sure that it works on phones and looks good that way as well. Also, you'll want to install some plugins. So like I said, you'll want to make sure you get Elementor. I personally find it the easiest to edit with, but if there is another one that you like, then that's fine too. And all you do is go ahead and go to plugins and then add plugin, and then you can search all of them and then just click install. Once your pages are ready, all you'll want to do is go to settings, general, and update your site title and tagline, then remove any demo content and then click visit site to view your live website. You are officially online. Amazing. Now that you have got your website up and running, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of InMotion hosting. So one of the biggest pros of InMotion hosting is the level of support they offer. If you're new to website building, it's incredibly helpful to have live chat and phone support available 24/7. The fact that they pre-install WordPress also makes the setup process smooth and fast. Performance-wise, their use of NVMe SSDs and the built-in server caching gives you faster site speed compared to many other budget hosts. They also offer automatic daily backups and solid security features, which just adds peace of mind. However, one con is that the dashboard and cPanel interface can feel a bit outdated compared to more modern managed WordPress hosts. While it's functional, it doesn't quite feel as sleek as some competitors. Additionally, while pricing is competitive, the renewal rates are higher, so just keep that in mind when budgeting. Overall, InMotion offers a good mix of reliability, performance, and support, especially for beginners who want to launch quickly and scale later. And that's how you can build a WordPress website in under 15 minutes using InMotion hosting. If you want to get the best price possible and get started today, use our link in the description below. These are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much for supporting our channel. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.